I'm just gonna have to kindly ask you to stop right there. Stop what you're doing, and I'm gonna have to ask what the actual fuck you are doing, because there is no way on earth that I'm letting you continue any further.
What? What's wrong?
Oh, in the name of Sir Nigel Grizzly, are you this strong?
I'm a harbor engine. It shouldn't be this new to you guys.
Yes, but Johnson, you may have to consider the fact that you are not a normal tank engine.
Oh, I get it. So just because I'm small, that means I'm supposed to be strong?
No, that's not what we're...
No, excuse me, Your Royal Highness. I'll just let the big, strong engines deal with the work themselves.
I think that conversation could have gone more smoothly.
Yeah, I agree. That should have gone smoother than I had anticipated.